Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to split a PDF page in half vertically and horizontally using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option. Here we will find this split option and select split page. And I will remove this split option and there is no split apply. Now select apply at horizontal split and see this horizontal split line showing here and also at vertical split and see this applied. Now selected page number, you can apply all of this page, selected page and current page. I will apply page number 5 and type comma and see this page. Now we will select OK and see this page now is split into 4 parts. And again I will split page number 4 and delete this one, and I will apply this vertically only this page and select OK and see this. Now I will apply this first page, split this one, remove this one horizontally, page number 1 select here, now select OK and see this first page now also split it. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.